Good afternoon, Chanel, Abhij. Chanel. Okay. So, can you please ask rest of your classmates to join? I see only half of you present here. Please ask them to join within 2-3 minutes. Actually, Shefali madam is on leave and we had to adjust her load. So there has been a few changes and it completely skipped my mind that I was supposed to conduct this as well, apart from one of the lectures. So suddenly it occurred to me while I was doing something else and I checked, and some of you are here, luckily. So let's wait for 2-3 more minutes. Meanwhile, can anyone tell me what have you done last time? Either type or unmute yourself and let me know. Acha, Cisco packet tracer. Okay. What did you do in that? In the packet tracer, what have you done? Okay. So you have configured different topologies or you have observed the outcome in case of topologies. What exactly in that? Can anyone unmute yourself and please let me know what have you done? No one? Actually, you have implemented different topologies with variable number of nodes or fixed number of nodes. Okay. So which topology have you found to work better? Okay, I don't know what exactly have you done last time. So I think we can do a short program today. This madam will resume next time. Let us try to do another experiment, all of you. We have discussed CRC, cyclic redundancy check method. Do you remember that? Where we had polynomial divisor. If the polynomial is of 4 power of 4 maximum, then 4 zeros were appended. And whatever is the remainder, that will be writing. So can you implement that algorithm? Like I'll be giving you divisor or polynomial and the data string which you are supposed to send. Okay. And of course we can decide if you want to like to keep it fixed, then also we can do. If you want to keep it variable, divisor can be of the power of 4 maximum or 5, whatever you say, that maximum 5. Then I'll be giving maximum 5 or 4 or 3 or 2, something like that. And your frame length, your frame, the data, which can also have the maximum limit, like maximum, let us say 100 bits or 50 bits. So I hope you know that what we are talking about. Do you think you will be able to implement that program? Just find out the remainder after XOR operations, and you will have to append that at the end. So the first question is, did you understand that thoroughly? That is the first question. Then we will discuss whether you can implement that. And what restrictions would you like to have, or under which type of circumstances, for what scenario you would like to implement that. So I want you to write a program where I give you that this is a generator, polynomial generator, and I'll give you the frame. These two will be the inputs. And you have to find me this output. And then you can actually append that remainder over here. So transmitted frame will be the output. Input is data to be sent and generator. Output is transmitted frame along with the remainder. So let me ask step by step. How many of you have understood this algorithm? Okay, Abhi has understood that. What about others? Chenil has understood that. 2. Do not worry at the moment whether you will be able to implement that. Currently, we are talking about how many of you have understood the method. That is the current question. Keval has also understood that. Others? Okay. Shail Harsh. So I assume that there are most of you would have understood that. Now actually on the internet there are many programs available for this. But I would not like you to look at them, at least not now. Afterwards, if you are stuck with something, some particular thing, then you can talk about that. So, will you be able to write a C program or C++, whatever you are comfortable with? Preferably C. Preferably C. Where user will be entering the frame. So, we are not saying that infinite number of bits can be there in the frame. We are defining the upper limit. Like upper limit is 50. Then can you do, or would you like to have fixed number like 25, then always 25? Or you should be able to work with the variable length. Will you be able to implement that with variable length where upper limit is fixed? Or you would like a fixed number? Now we are defining the requirements, like for which type of scenario you are going to implement that. So I'm taking inputs from you. We can try gradually. So upper limit, with upper limit we can try. Okay. So let us define the upper limit to be 20. Is that fair enough? Maximum number of bits in the frame can be 20 at the moment. So 20 after appending this or before appending this, how do you treat that 20? Come on, કંઈક બોલો તમારે કેવું કરવું છે તો પછી આપણને ખબર પડે. Frame only means the data which we want to send, that okay, maximum that can be of 20. That is what you are saying? Okay, fine. So maximum I can have 20. I can ask you to just work it for 10 ones together. 10 ones. Your data can be of 10 bits or 11 bits or 5 bits, but maximum 20 bits. So we have defined that the data to be sent maximum will be 20. So accordingly you can define your parameters. Then generator polynomial. Do you want it always to be of 5 bits or always 4 bits, or again we are defining a maximum limit in that? What do you think will be implementable for you at the moment? Dynamic. Okay, Shell. Dynamic. Should we define the upper limit? like the maximum power of x, the maximum power of this generator polynomial. Should we define that? Okay, so what do you want that to be? બોલો કેટલું રાખવું છે? 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. Okay, let us keep it 5. Okay, 7. Between 5 to 10. Then let us keep it 6. Okay, 6. એ આપણે 6 રાખીએ છીએ. જનરેટર પોલિનોમિયલ મેક્સિમમ કેન બી ઓફ પાવર ઓફ 6. પાવર ઓફ 6 કહીએ છીએ એનો મતલબ ટોટલ 7 ડિજિટ્સ હોઈ શકે. ઓકે, power of 6 means x raised to 6 plus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4 plus x raised to 3 plus x raised to 2 plus x plus 1. That will result into 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So shall not between 5 to 10. Let us say between 1 to 6. 1 to 6 or 1 to 7. So number of bits would be 7, but the power is 6. So number of bits, if we are talking about currently, then 7 bits. Maximum 7 bits in the generator, maximum 20 bits in the frame. Do you think, do we need to define any other parameter? Transmitted frame, that should be the output. Like I give you this data, then based on the generator, those many zeros you will append here. You will do XOR operation gradually after taking number of bits. Then whatever is the remainder, that we are inserting here. See, this is the frame and these 4 bits are inserted here. So either you can give me just remainder initially just you can give me the remainder. Afterwards, this just needs to be appended at the end. So you have to write the program where these 2 values will be given to you. You have to find the remainder. That is the first immediate task. Do you think you will be able to do this? Okay, fine. So let us try, everyone. Please try to do it. So we are writing the transmitter side program for generating CRC. That is the aim.
Raised
Your polynomial generator is often called a key as well. which is supposed to be known only at the transmitter and receiver to generate CRC and to verify that.
ये कौन है ये?
पता नहीं यार कोई नहीं
So can we say you will take from the user first the message or data which you are supposed to send or frame. In this example, it is called a frame. You will take frame from the user. Then you will take key or generator from the user. Then you will count number of characters in the string. If it is 5, then in the frame 4 you will be appending at the end. 4 zeros you will be appending. If it is 6, then in the string 1, you will be appending 5 zeros. I think this can be your starting point. And then you can proceed to think about how you are going to perform this XOR operation. Have you already started? So if Keval is the only one who is going to work, then we can ask him to share his screen and others can, yes, okay, others are also fine, fine, fine. So I'll not disturb you anymore. Please continue working, all of you. And if you have any doubt in the algorithm, please let me know. Can anyone tell me whether you have completed taking the inputs two strings message and key from the user? Then find out the length of the key or generator, polynomial generator, and then accordingly those many zeros. I mean, of course, one lesser zeros are appended in the frame, and then you start performing the operation with polynomial generator, modulo 2 operation. Have you done so far? Okay, nice. So once you are done, please let me know. I'll give you a simple example to verify what your program is generating. Kindly let me know once you have found the remainder. Can anyone please tell me how far have we reached? Implementing logic for XOR. Okay. Others, are you doing the same? Great. So, can you come with this code next time? Next time, you should be having this code at the transmitter to generate the remainder, and then I'll give you some examples, 3 4 examples, and we will simply verify whether it is functioning properly for them. Okay, fine. And madam has already explained you about the earlier experiments that you are supposed to write in the book or journal, whatever you have, scan them and upload it. And please save the hard copies what you have written with you. In case if submissions are offline for all, then we will consider the copies which you have written, and otherwise online already you are submitting. So everyone please try to do that within deadline. If there is no doubt, we can end the meeting. Okay, thank you. Please try to complete it before you come next time.